I welcome all of you on platform of YourPedia Education, and as you know, on YourPedia we are telling you opportunities of higher education, that is PhD, MTech, MS, etc. in global universities. I told you many times that those of you who are good in BTech in particular domain, particular research area, and or you have done MTech, very good scholarships are abroad in global universities including Europe, America, Australia, New Zealand, all these Canada kind of countries. So there are very good scholarships available and fully funded PhD programs. Direct PhD after BTech is also you are getting. So this week I am going to tell you direct PhD opportunities after BTech, which is the best actually, because you know in countries like US, if you want to go after BTech for MS, then you need to spend 25-30 lakh rupees from your pocket. But if you get a direct PhD, opportunities come, which I am going to share with you. Direct PhD after BTech, and that too is a fixed duration, fully funded, then there is a best opportunity. You can get PhD and money is not required to be invested, but you need to be extraordinarily good in the domain. They write all the requirements also. So if you fit in that, please mail the professor. I'm showing you the video, this opportunities today, in which you are not to apply, you are to first mail the professor. Criterias are there, and if professor feels that okay, your this thing is good, you apply, because PhD professor only is to give, so you can apply in that. In one of the opportunities, Louisiana State University mein, there is a PhD position. You have to mail your CV to professor, and if he likes, then you can apply forward. So it is very good, you know, you have to design a very good CV and letter of purpose, and then you have to send it. So seek the help of YourPedia mentors in that, and you drop the mail to professor if you fit into that. So if you are from computational fluid dynamics domain in your MTech, you can apply for that. I think this position which is there for international students, last date is 21st September, so you can mail professor for that. Okay, PhD position is available in this, and potential research topic also they have given. What domain you have to work, that is also given. So you have to work in machine learning, artificial intelligence for reduced order modeling, numerical methods, turbulent combustion, multi-phase flows, surrogate and swarm based optimization. So that is how it is. So this is the domain in which you are supposed to work once you join PhD. It is fully funded and a full tuition waive off is given, monthly stipend is given. You should have master's degree in engineering or related field. So it is only for MTech, not BTech. It is for MTech students. Solid understanding of certain topics like fluid dynamics, reduced order modeling, computational modeling, combustion reacting flows, or machine learning. So if you know these things, then only drop mail to professor. I know there are so many students in MTech who have done really good work in this domain, and if you have done some work in this domain, you can drop mail to professor. Prior experience with programming, Python, C++, etc. is required. So I always tell you, the moment you join MTech, if you are targeting for foreign university, C++, Python, machine learning, these things should be done for even core sector. You know, when students say, sir, I want to get into core, non-core, I don't want to learn, you know, coding, C++, Python, I don't want to learn. Actually, it is not that. If you want a really good career, even research, you need to know these things. So if you're good in C++, Python, you know, machine learning, you will get core, non-core, any kind of job, and moreover, you are suitable for higher education abroad. Yes, so this is what is required, and if you have done that, you can drop your mail to professor. Yes, you should have some kind of GRE score also. So if you are already in that process and you have GRE score, you have these kind of things with you, please drop the mail to professor. And if everything is in shape, and if you have dropped a really, mail is to be written very nicely, and if everything is in shape, then the probability of getting positive response is very high. The moment you get positive response, then you apply. Many opportunities, many scholarships, global universities, we should go and we should try to explore the opportunities and options there. Thank you.